Hi guys, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, I would love to have you guys subscribe and join my YouTube family. Subscribing is free. Just click on the subscribe button and then click on that bell notification so that you can receive an email each time that I post. Today's video is part 5 in my kitchen spring cleaning series. In today's video, I am deep cleaning my dishwasher using vinegar and baking soda. And it was very effective, worked very well, so I cannot wait to show you guys. But before I show you this, I want to show you guys what I have on today. I am wearing a tunic shirt from a local boutique. It's a little short, so I paired it with a tank top from the boutique as well. And my jeans are from American Eagle, and they're capri, and they have holes in them. My sandals are Tory Burch, and my jewelry is Stella and Dot. So that's what I'm wearing today.
To clean the inside of my dishwasher, I am using natural products again. The first step that I take is to take a dishwasher safe container and turn it upright on the top shelf and pour in 1 cup of vinegar. Then I close up the dishwasher and I wash it on a regular cycle. After washing it with the cup of vinegar, I open the dishwasher and I remove what is now an overflowing cup of water because the vinegar has worked to clean the inside of the dishwasher. And so I just kind of pour that water out in the sink. Then I take some baking soda and I sprinkle the baking soda along the bottom of the dishwasher and in other hard to reach places. Then I close the dishwasher again, and this time I wash it on the hottest cycle possible. After that cycle is complete, I open the dishwasher back up and I take a towel and wipe down any leftover residue, any excess water, that kind of thing, and then the inside of my dishwasher is completely clean. So I use some stainless steel wipes to wipe down the front of my dishwasher and get it all sparkly and clean and looking like new again. And this is what the inside of the dishwasher looked like after I finished using the natural products, the vinegar and the baking soda, and I think it looks good and looks fresh and it works very, very well.
Thank you guys so much for watching today. I'm so thankful and grateful for you guys. I hope that I inspired you to clean out your dishwasher today. And just remember to take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you in the next one. You want to say bye, Molly? Molly, you want to say bye?